polish. I have it on. I'm gonna apply gently, and then if you are first time using condensed glue gel, which is just normal when you seeing it kind of thick, I'm gonna using it just a little. I'm so excited about this. It's so thin. It's laid right on this. This looks stunning. And I can trim it up after I cure this. So I am going to cure for 60 seconds under LED light. It's something stunning and different though, everyone. Okay, under the LED light for 60 seconds. Hello, Facebook. I can't see Facebook comments, anything at all. I'm about to using, and today we're gonna do a lot of neons. Decorations. It's springs and summertime coming. We just would like to share with you so then you can get an idea and prepare for spring and summer coming. Let me see what I got in here. Oh, I can see Facebook now. Okay, great. Hey, Spamolix, how are you? Thank you so much for tuning in. I want to make sure I say hi to everyone. I think I did something. Sorry, I didn't mean to. Star by Alma. This one is a gel polish. Done with this one. If you are okay, hold on, where are my scissors? Oh, right here. I'm just left it here, sorry. Just cut it off from this mess and just trim it off. Just like trim all that excess off. You don't want to be in there. Also, you can just, gently file them after you encapsulate one more time. I would off this part right here because it's closer to the cuticles. And looks really good. Great. I think it's really good though. That's nice. Okay, sorry, just really curious. So stunning though. You can do similar design like this for can I get a file of the buff? One of the files right there. Okay. Feel a little bit rough spot right here. I just give it a little bit before I start encap it again. Okay, good. So next we're gonna do condensed glue gels again. And now I am going to apply neon crystals. This nail is so vibrant. So I'm gonna apply a little bit thicker to encapsulating to make sure that it cap completely the lace, the mask or whatever you call this. Is really stunning though. This one you can encapsulating with liquid gunpowder. Also you can encapsulating with condensed glue gel. If you have hard gel, you can also do it as well. And poly gels, gum gel, You can do that as well. Looks really good. Can you, excuse me, can you close this one? And I am going right into the no wipe top coat. Find my no wipe top coat right there. My no wipe top coat. And just apply really cool techniques float like on the top. This looks so stunning by itself already. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. I'm gonna show you this one for the next one. I'm going to this. I am going to really like dress this nails up. I'm in the neon moods right now. Alright, I'm a little bit far away, so I'm gonna move it closer to me so I can see it easy. Hope everyone have a great Tuesday. Thank you so much for tuning in for another great live tutorial. We have a lot of questions for beginners who are asking, how do we get all of crystal placement together? What is the best way to do it? And how to doing it? If the best advice that I will share with all the beginner is you can place the crystals however you would like to create your pictures, but the best way to doing it is to place them really tight and close together. The closer, the tighter your crystal is together, the better it's gonna last. I have so many fun colors right here. Oh my goodness, it's so much fun to play with. I have too many choices. Okay, now I'm going to my beads. So you can see that I place them, even I alternate the colors, but I place them really close together. Do not worry about this because later I'm gonna give it a final shape and like, so then it's gonna look so nice and stunning. Oh, I'm so excited. This nail is so vibrant. Okay, so tip and tricks, I am gonna using my twin tip brush to pick up my hey Instagram. Sorry, I was getting up completely this one off right there. Okay. Okay. Pick up some extra. I just really like that. This one a little bit more special than usual. I'm not worried about them to be perfect right now because I will adjusting them just in a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna adjusting them and perfect them. And if you don't want the beads, you can totally be done and key it under LED lights. And you should be good and get that out and do a precision glow. But if you want to get something look like a piece of jewelry, then this is a stun way to doing it. Added on all the beads. So beautiful. I'm adjusting a little bit, okay? So I did is different here is 3 beads in between each crystal. But you can do 1 beads or you can do 2 beads, however you would like it. Stunning. I'm gonna put it in the lamp for about 60 seconds.